I'm in Houston. Heading to go to mine. Ito yung papuntang overground. Yung kanina, papuntang underground. Yun. O, diba? May overground sila, may underground. Sana, bukas yung platform 9. Kasi minsan sarado yan sila dito. Especially pag yung long, ano sila. Long, ano yun? Long holiday sometime. They just fixing something. So, ayan. Ala, close. Platform 9, close. Ay, ayan. Sinali talaga ako. Ha? It's 1:12. So, bali, 15 minutes mag-aantay na naman ako dito. Ay, ewan ko. Ito, hindi ko to alam kung saan to papunta, pero outside London yan. And then this one too also is outside London. So, ayan. Naiinis ako. Hindi ako nakaabot. May naantay ako. Naligaw kasi ako. Mabot ako. Platform 9.
Where are you going to?
I'm going to Kilburn.
Kilburn High Road, yes.
Thank you. Tapos, ayan. Sabi is, ano, nag-init. Ayan. Nag-worried sila kasi sabi niya, saan daw ako pupunta. Sabi ko sa Kilburn High Road. Ayan. It's 13:30 na. Akala ko 12:30 na. Mga kajimbori. Ayan. Ay, 13:60. Darating siya ng 13:30. Darating na naman ako doon ng 2. Ewan. Hi. So, ito yan. Every Friday, I'm here all the time. Yan. Dito na lang ako. Kasi, kaya, okay sana dito yung trial. Kasi lang, yung ano, yung destination to destination ba mga kapatid. So, medyo mega shoutout sa inyo. Ayan, may dumating na. Sabi 15 minutes, pero ano. May dumating. Hindi ko alam. Ang haba kaya nito. Doon na ako. What the hello? Dyan. Hindi pa rin siya. dulo-dulo kasi dito ako lalabas. Lalabas ako dito. Ayan. Ako palang mag-isa. Pwede ako magsayaw-sayaw dito, pero yan, wala. So, see you later, mga kachimbori. Mayroon din pala. Ayan. Hindi ko alam kung saan yan papunta, pero outside ano yan. Papuntang Paris. Papuntang Birmingham. Ayan, maybe. Or papuntang sa labas, part ng Europe. Summer ngayon dito. Parang summer. Ayan. Nag-i-start ng summer. Kaya gusto na pumunta ng ibang bansa. Ayan. Ang dami. Saka today is Friday. So, bali parang what's up mga kachimbori? Andito na ako. Dumating na po ako sa building na pinapasayawan namin. Ang ganda ng mga building, diba? Doon naman ako pupunta. Yan. Yung building na yun. Ano yun? Part yan ng simbahan. Yung ano. Kasi may Filipino church din yan dyan. Stafford Road ang pangkalatan nito. So late na naman ako. We start to 1 o'clock. 2 o'clock na. Ay. Diyan ako aakyat. Diyan ako aakyat. May matanda. Hindi ko alam. Sino yan dyan? Di ba ang ganda ng building? Entrance to Catholic Church in Marian Community Center. Yan. Building yan. Tapos mayroon ditong childcare. Yan. O, diba ang ganda? Ayun, dito ako papasok. Marian Community Center. Papasok ako dito. Ayan, dyan ang sila. Sayaw na.
On Instagram. Same. Friday night.
Friday night in Camden Town. I hate Camden here.
Yo, I might just hop off at Camden Road Station.
What? Why? The overground's not here.
Camden Road. That way. Remember taking 134 to
Is it closer though, or is Kentish Town closer? Kentish Town is one closer, just go there.
Does it stop right outside though?
It's not here. Trust me.
No, Camden Road's right there.
It's not, it doesn't go there. Trust, I know, it doesn't go. It goes here, which up there is already Kentish Town. Trust me.
I remember going to what?
The station's there, I think.
I remember going to Ackley Road.
No, trust. It doesn't go through. It goes here and then next is literally Kenchtown High School. It doesn't go. I take this bus.
Bro, you can't even smell it.
Right now, no.
I didn't really want to do it. I don't put too much.
Daming tao. Super daming tao. Hindi ko alam kung ano na yan. Party on the party? Party on the party? Party on the party? Party on the party? Daming nilang tao. Party on the party. Today is Friday. And it's so hot. So much people. So much people. You know? Everywhere people. Kukuha ko ng katatapos ko lang mag-dance line. Umuwi na ako. Pero kukunin ko yung laundry ko. Yun. And this is the tavern. Dami-daming tao. Kasi may party yan dyan every Friday. Mayroong banda. I think so. It's a dome. Doon sa dome. Ang may-ari nito is Filipino. Ang asa. So I think daming tao. This is my neighborhoods and that's stuff that works. Ito yung Mas! Moshi! Hello! Did you see my trousers now? That's lovely. Look. His face is mad on me, but I was supposed to be mad on him. Say hi to my vlog. Hi.
Hello. Hello, sweetie. How are you, sweetie? You okay?
I'm fine.